Hello everyone, I am Shashwata Mukherjee from Techno India University. My ID is 18100402043. Today I am going to discuss about Indian insurance industry analysis. Here comes the introduction. The insurance industry of India has 57 insurance companies, where 24 are in the life insurance businesses, where 33 are non-life insurers. Among the life insurers, Life Insurance Corporation is the sole public sector company. There are 6 public sector insurers in the non-life insurance segment. In addition to these, there is a sole national reinsurer, namely General Insurance Corporation of India. Other stakeholders in the Indian insurance market includes agents, brokers, surveyors, and third-party administration servicing health insurance claims. Next slide is market size of the Indian insurance industry. So in India, the overall market size of the insurance sector is expected to $280 billion in 2020. Gross premium collected by life insurance companies in India increased from rupees 2.56 trillion in FY12 to rupees 7.31 trillion in FY20. During FY12 to FY20, premium from new business of life insurance companies in India increased at a CAGR of 15% to reach rupees 2.13 trillion in FY20. Overall insurance penetration in India reached 3.71% in FY19 from 2.71% in FY02. Life insurers reported 14% YOY growth in individual annualized premium equivalent in October 2020, compared with 4% YOY in September 2020. The market share to private sector companies in the non-life insurance market rose from 15% in FY04 to 56% in FY21 till April 2020. In life insurance segment, private players had a market share of 31.3% in the new business in FY20. So the next slide is investment and recent developments. Here we goes by enrollments under the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana reached 154.7 million till December 2019 since its launch. Over 53.8 million farmers were benefited by Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana in FY20. In April 2020, Axis Bank acquired an additional 29% stake in Max Life Insurance. In November 2019, Airtel partnered with Bharati AXA Life to launch prepaid bundle with insurance cover. In September 2019, Competition Commission of India approved acquisition of shares in SBI General Insurance by Nepean Opportunities LLP and Honeywell. The government initiatives are, as per Union Budget 2019 to 2020, 100% foreign direct investment was permitted for insurance intermediaries. In September 2018, National Health Protection Scheme was launched under Ayushman Bharat to provide coverage of up to rupees 5 lakhs to more than 100 million vulnerable families. The scheme is expected to increase penetration of health insurance in India from 34% to 50%. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India plans to issue redesigned initial public offering guidelines for insurance companies in India, which are looking to divest equity through the IPO route. Next is IRDAI has allowed insurers to invest up to 10% in additional Tier 1 bonds that are issued by banks to augment their Tier 1 capital in order to expand the pool of eligible investors for the banks. The last point is in the October 2020, the Andhra Pradesh rolled out to free of cost crop insurance scheme for the state farmers. Here we comes to the road ahead. First point is the future looks promising for the life insurance industry with several changes in regulatory framework, which will lead to further change in the way the industry conducts to business and engages with its customers. Second is the overall insurance industry is expected to reach $280 billion by the end of 2020. Life insurance industry in the country is expected to increase by 14 to 15% annually for the next 3 to 5 years. The scope of LOT in India insurance market continues to beyond telematics and customer risk assessments. Currently, there are 110 plus insurtech startups opening in India. Demographic factors such as growing middle class, young insurable population, and growing awareness of the need for protection and retirement planning will support the growth of Indian life insurance. The major insurance companies in India are, first of all, SBI Life Insurance, and the second is HDFC Standard Life Insurance Company. So, in SBI Life Insurance was established in 2000 as a JV between SBI and BNP Paribas Cardiff and has become one of the leading life insurers in the country. The company has range of life insurance and pension products, which includes the individual and group products to cater to the insurance needs of diverse customer segments. HDFC Standard Life Insurance Company was established in 2000 as a JV between Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, HDFC Limited, and Standard Life Aberdeen. It was the first private company to get a license from IRDAI in 2001. Thank you for listening to this Indian industry analysis presentation. Wish you a good day.